Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Plaid to connect bank accounts securely, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing Plaid to connect your bank accounts, start by opening the app or website. Look for the option that prompts you to link your bank account. Once you select this option, you will be redirected to the Plaid interface. You will now see a list of financial institutions. Type the name of your bank into the search bar for quicker access. Select your bank from the displayed list to proceed. After selecting your bank, click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to enter your online banking credentials. Provide your username and password for your bank account. Ensure that you are entering accurate information to avoid any connection issues. Once you enter your credentials, click on the Login button. Plaid will then authenticate your credentials securely. Upon successful authentication, you may be asked to verify additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to complete any required verification steps. Once verified, Plaid will display your available bank accounts. Select the account you wish to connect and proceed by clicking the Confirm button. You may also have options to choose specific permissions for accessing your account data. Review these permissions carefully before finalizing the connection. After confirming your selection, Plaid will establish a secure connection to your bank account. You will receive a notification indicating that the connection is successful. Your bank account is now linked securely via Plaid. You can now return to the original app or website to continue your tasks. Remember to monitor your connected accounts for any unauthorized access. Completing this process ensures that your financial data remains secure while allowing for seamless transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.